Yesterday, so in exercise 7.5, completing I think up to 8th. Yes, 8th problem is over. Next, today onwards, from 9th problem onwards. Yes, 9th problem. Integral 3x plus 5 by x cube minus x square minus x plus 1 dx. Integral 3x plus 5 by x cube minus x square minus x plus 1 dx. Yes. Solution. Integral 3x plus 5 by x cube minus x square minus x plus 1 dx can resolve into partial fractions. The given function is a fraction is a proper fraction. That is, you take separately 3x plus 5 by, in the denominator, you take x square is common. From these two terms, you take x square is common. So x square is common. Here you get x minus 1. From these two terms, you take x square is common. From these two terms, you take minus is common. Minus of x minus 1. Minus of x minus 1. So that is equal to 3x plus 5 by. So here x minus 1 is common. Then you get x square minus 1. X minus 1 is common. X square minus 1. So then 3x plus 5 by x minus 1. So this is x square minus 1 is x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. So here repeated factors, 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1. Here repeated factors. That's why this is a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 1. A by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x plus 1. That implies 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 whole square into x plus 5 is equal to, here x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 is the LCM. X minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 is the LCM. In the numerator you get 1x minus 1 on x minus 1 cancel. Then a into x minus 1 into x plus 1. Here x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square cancel. That is plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 whole square plus c into x minus 1 whole square. X plus 1 cancel. X minus 1 whole square. So same denominators, equating the numerators. Yes, equating the numerators. That is 3x plus 5 is equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. For example, we want to find out the a value. You can substitute x is equal to, first, here x minus 1, you can substitute x is equal to 1, we get b value. X is equal to 1, here this is 0, here this is 0, you get b value. That is, put x is equal to 1. put x is equal to 1. That implies 3 into 1 plus 5 is equal to, this is 0, b into 1 plus 1, this is also 0. Put x is equal to 1. This term goes to 0, this term goes to 0, that is b into 1 plus 1. 3 plus 5, 8 is equal to 2b. From this, 4 is equal to b. b is equal to 4. Next, put x is equal to minus 1. This term goes to 0, this term goes to 0. Then you get c value. That is x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. This term goes to 0. Here you substitute 3 into minus 1 plus 5 is equal to this term 0, this term 0, c into minus 1 whole square. Here minus 3 plus 5, that is equal to 2. Minus 2 whole square, that is 4. 4c, that is c is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. We get c value is 1 by 2. Then here we know b, 4, c, 1 by 2. We required a value. That's why equating the coefficient of x square terms. Here x into x square into a, that is x square coefficient a. Here also we get x square coefficient c. That's why equating the x square coefficients. Equating x square coefficients. Equating x square coefficients. That is here in our LHS side. In LHS side, there is no x square coefficient. That's why 0 is equal to, in RH side, a into x square, that is ax square. A is the x square coefficient, plus here cx square, plus c is the x square coefficient. That is 0 is equal to a plus c is 1 by 2. Then you get a is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then we get a is equal to minus 1 by 2. After resolving the partial fractions, that is integration of 3x plus 5 by, that is x square minus 1, that is x cube minus x square minus x plus 1 dx is equal to this partial fractions. A minus 1 by 2, integration of minus 1 by 2 by x minus 1, b, what is b, plus 4 by x minus 1 whole square, c, what is c, plus 1 by 2 by x plus 1 dx. After resolving the partial fractions, substitute the values of what is a, what is b, and what is c. Then split into three integrals. That implies integral 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 is the constant, minus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by x minus 1 dx, plus 4 is the constant, plus 4 into integral 1 by x minus 1 whole square dx, plus 1 by 2 constant, integral 1 by x plus 1 dx. Here directly you write the integration by using the formulas. Integration of 1 by x minus 1 is log mod x minus 1. You treated this is x minus 1. X minus 1 is x. 1 by x integration log mod x that implies minus 1 by 2 into log mod x minus 1 by x minus 1 derivative 1 by using chain rule. For example, here using substitution process, but it is the steps are increased. That's why you can use the direct formula, that is integration of 1 by x is log mod x. So here x is x minus 1 plus 4 into, here yesterday I discussed integration of 1 by x square is equal to minus 1 by x plus c. Integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x plus c. Like that here 1 by x square, that is minus 1 by x minus 1. What is the derivative of x minus 1? 1. Plus here also 1 by 2 log mod x plus 1. 1 by 2 log mod x plus 1. Here 1 by 2 is common. That implies 1 by 2 into log mod x plus 1 minus log mod x minus 1 minus 4 by plus c here plus 4 by x minus 1 plus c. So this is 1 by 2 log a minus log b log mod x plus 1 by x minus 1 minus 4 by x minus 1 plus c. Therefore, the final answer is logarithm of root of x plus 1 by x minus 1. Why? This is 1 by 2, power 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 power means root of x plus 1 by x minus 1 minus 4 by x minus 1 plus c plus 4 by x minus 1 plus c. Yes. 10th problem. Integral 2x minus 3 by x square minus 1 into 2x plus 3 into dx. Same process. First resolve into partial fractions. Here this is the proper fraction. So denominator degree is greater than the numerator degree. You take separately. solution 2x by, this is x square minus 1 is x minus 1 into x plus 1 into 2x plus 3. So three reducible factors. X square minus 1 is x minus 1 into x plus 1. So a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 1 plus c by 2x plus 3. Right? A by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 1 plus c by 2x plus 3. A by x plus 1, x minus 1 plus b by x plus 1 plus c by 2x plus 3. Here this is 2x by x minus 1 into x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 is equal to, here LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 is the LCM. X minus 1 into x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 is the LCM. Here x minus 1 cancel. A into x plus 1 into 2x plus 3. A into x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 plus b into x plus 1 cancel. That is x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. X minus 1 into 2x plus 3 plus c into 2x plus 3 cancel. That is x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into 2x by 2x minus 3 kada? Okay, 2x minus 3. Here denominators are same, equating the numerators. That is 2x minus 3 is equal to a into x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x plus 1. Yes. You want to find out a value, put x is equal to 1 here. X is equal to 1, this term 0, this term 0. That is, put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 implies 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to a into 1 plus 1 into 2 into 1 plus 3. This term is 0, this term is 0. Put x is equal to 1. That is 2 minus 3 is minus 1 is equal to, here 2 plus 3 5, 5 into 2 10, that is 10a. A is equal to minus 1 by 10. A is equal to minus 1 by 10. We required b value, then substitute x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to, put x is equal to minus 1. This term goes to 0 and this term goes to 0. We get b value. Put x is equal to minus 1. That implies 2 into minus 1 minus 3 is equal to, this term, first term is 0. In the second term, b into minus 1 minus 1 into 2 into minus 1 plus 3 plus c into this term also 0, minus 1 plus 1, this term also 0. So here minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2, this is minus 2 plus 3, that is plus 1. Minus 2 into plus 1 is minus 2b, that is b is equal to 5 by 2. B is equal to 5 by 2. So we know A value and B value. We want to find out C value, equating the coefficients of x square, or otherwise, if you substitute x is equal to minus 3 by 2, x is equal to minus 3 by 2, you get this term is 0 and this term is 0, you get C value. Otherwise, equating the coefficient of x square, equating the coefficient of x square, equating the coefficient of x square. In LH side, there is no x square term. That's why 0 is equal to, in RH side, you see here, 2x into x, 2x square. 2x square into a, that is x square coefficient to 2a. What I am saying, just you see here, 2x into x, 2x square, that 2x square into a, 2x square a, that is x square coefficient is 2a. 2a, here x square coefficient 2b, x into 2x, 2x square, 2x square into b, 2b x square plus 2b. Here x square coefficient c plus c. Then substitute what is a value and b value. 2 into a is minus 1 by 10 plus 2 into b is 5 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. Here 2 5s, 2 cancel. That is c is equal to, you bring this term into that side, 1 by 5 minus 5. That is c is equal to 1 minus 25 by 5. That is equal to minus 24 by 5. C value is minus 24 by 5. C value is minus 24 by 5. Yes, after resolving the partial fractions, then you write integration of 2x minus 3 by x square minus 1 into 2x plus 3 dx is equal to integral. So what is a here? Minus 1 by 10. Minus 1 by 10 by x minus 1 plus what is b here? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 by x plus 1 plus what is c here? Minus 24 by 5. Minus 24 by 5 by 2x plus 3 into dx. That implies minus 1 by 10 into integration of 1 by x minus 1 dx plus 5 by 2 into integration of 1 by x plus 1 dx minus 24 by 5 into integration of 1 by 2x plus 3 dx. That implies this is minus 1 by 10 into log mod x minus 1 plus 5 by 2 into log mod x plus 1 integration of 1 by x log mod x. Here directly you can write minus 24 by 5 into log mod 2x plus 3. You treated 2x plus 3 is a x. You treated 2x plus 3 is x. That is 1 by x integration log mod x by derivative of what is x here? 2x plus 3. What is the derivative of 2x plus 3? 2 by 2 plus c. That is the chain rule in integration. But here also by 1, here also by 1. Why? X minus 1 derivative 1, x plus 1 derivative 1. But here 2x plus 3. That's why 2x plus 3 derivative 2 by 2. That implies minus 1 by 10 into log of x minus 1. That is, first you write this positive term, log mod x plus 1 whole power 5 by 2 minus log mod x minus 1 whole power 1 by 10. Here 2 is cancel in 24 12 times minus log mod 2x plus 3 whole power 12 by 5 plus c. If you want to simplify this also, log mod numerator x plus 1 whole power 5 by 2. Here you take minus c is common. Minus c is common. Log a plus log b, you get log ab. You write by x minus 1 whole power 1 by 10 into 2x plus 3 whole power 12 by 5 plus c. That's it. In a single term. You want to convert the given answer in the single term. Otherwise, you make this is the answer. This 11th problem. Same process. Integral 5x by x plus 1 into x square minus 4 dx. 11th problem. Integral 5x by x plus 1 into x square minus 4 dx. Yes, solution. First resolve into partial fractions. 5x by x plus 1 into here x square minus 4 is x minus 2 into x plus 2. X minus 2 into x plus 2. 5x by x plus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 2. So, reducible factors. That's why a by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x plus 2. A by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x plus 2. That is 5x by x plus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to, here taking LCM, x plus 1 into x minus 2 into x plus 2. that is x plus 1 cancel, a into x minus 2 into x plus 2, x minus 2 cancel, plus b into x plus 1 into x plus 2, plus x plus 2 cancel, that is c into x plus 1 into x minus 2, plus c into x plus 1 into x minus 2. That is both sides denominators are cancelled. That is 5x is equal to 5x is equal to a into x minus 2 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 1 into x minus 2. For example, you want to find out a value, put x is equal to minus 1. We want to find out b value, put x is equal to minus 2. Yes, put x is equal to minus 1. That implies 5 into minus 1 is equal to, here this term goes to 0, x is equal to minus 1, this term 0, this term 0, that is a into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, that is minus 5 is equal to a into minus 3 into plus 1, minus 3 into plus 1, that is minus 3a, that is a is equal to 5 by 3. A is equal to 5 by 3. A is equal to 5 by 3. So we want to find out b value. Put x is equal to minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2. Here this is 0. No. Minus 1. Find out b value. X is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2. Here this term goes to 0. This term goes to 0. We get b value. X is equal to 2. That implies 5 into 2 is equal to a into 2 minus 2. This is 0. B into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. This term is also 0. 2 minus 2. This term also 0. That is 10 is equal to 3. Here 4. 4 3 is 12b. That is b is equal to 10 by 12. That is 5 by 6. That is 5 by 6. So we want to find out c value. Put x is equal to minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2. This term 0 and this term also 0. We get c value. Put x is equal to minus 2. That implies 5 into minus 2. 5 into minus 2 is equals to, here minus 2, this is 0. Here minus 2, this is 0. That is a c into minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 minus 2. Minus 10 is equal to minus 4 into minus 1. That is 4c. So c is equal to minus 5 by 2. C is equals to minus 5 by 2. That is, we get a value and b value and c value. Then you write integral 5x by x plus 1 into x square minus 4 dx is equal to integral What is A? 5 by 3. 5 by 3 by x plus 1 plus what is B here? 5 by 6. 5 by 6 by x minus 2 na? B, x minus 2 plus what is C here? Minus 5 by 2 by x plus 2 dx. Split into integrals, that implies 5 by 3 constant integration of 1 by x plus 1 dx plus 5 by 6 constant integration of 1 by x minus 2 dx minus 5 by 2 constant integration of 1 by x plus 2 dx. That implies 5 by 3 into integration of 1 by x plus 1, that is log mod x plus 1 plus 5 by 6 into log mod x minus 2 minus 5 by 2 into log mod x plus 2 plus C. By 1 by 1 by 1, derivative of x plus 1 1, derivative of x minus 2 1, derivative of x plus 2 by 1 by using chain rule. So you make single term, that implies log mod x plus 1 whole power 5 by 3 plus log mod x minus 2 whole power 5 by 6 minus log mod x plus 2 whole power 5 by 2 plus C. Here log A, log B, that is log AB minus log C by C. Directly log mod x plus 1 whole power 5 by 3 into x minus 2 whole power 5 by 6 by x plus 2 whole power 5 by 2 plus C. You make the single term. Yes, 11th problem is over. Twelfth problem. Integral x cube plus x plus 1 by x square minus 1 dx. In this problem, the given fraction is improper fraction. Why? Numerator degree is 3, denominator degree is 2. That is, numerator degree is greater than denominator degree, then it is called improper fraction. So, if the improper fraction is given, first divide the numerator with the help of denominator. You make by using that is integral x cube plus x plus 1 dividing with x square minus 1. So we required x cube here, multiplying with x cube minus x. So this is minus plus x cube cancel, x plus x 2x plus 1. That is, this is the remainder. By using remainder theorem, x cube plus x plus 1 by x square minus 1 is equal to x plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 1. The given improper fraction, to make a mixed fraction like that, that is x plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 1. Then you take separately this term. This is a proper fraction. You take separately this. 2x plus 1 by this x square minus 1 is x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to make partial fractions, that is a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 1. That is 2x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to, here taking LCM, x minus 1 into x plus 1, that is in the numerator a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1. A into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1. Equating the numerators, 2x plus 1 is equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1. Yes, we want to find out a value. Here put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. That implies 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to a into 1 plus 1. This term is 0. That is 3 is equal to 2a. That is a is equal to 3 by 2. So we want to find out b value. Put x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 implies 2 into minus 1 plus 1 is equal to, this term is 0. That is b into minus 1 minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 1 is equal to minus 2b. That is b is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to 1 by 2. So, x cube plus x plus 1 by x square minus 1 is equal to x plus, what is the partial fractions of this? A by x minus 1. A is what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 by x minus 1 plus b is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by x plus 1. You understood? So x cube plus x plus 1 by x square minus 1 is equal to x plus, so what are the partial fractions of 2x plus 1 by x square minus 1? A by x minus 1, 3 by 2 by x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 by x plus 1. Then integrating on both sides, integral x cube plus x plus 1 by x square minus 1 dx is equal to integral x plus 3 by 2 by x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 by x plus 1 dx. Split into three integrals here. That implies integral x dx plus 3 by 2 constant 3 by 2 into integral 1 by x minus 1 dx plus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by x plus 1 dx. So what is x integration? Here x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, that is x square by 2 plus 3 by 2 into log mod x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into log mod x plus 1 plus c. This is x square by 2 plus log mod x minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 plus log mod x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus c, that is x square by 2 plus log mod x minus 1 whole power 3 by 2 into x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. That's enough. To make a single term, log a plus log b is log ab. Yes, 13th problem. Integral 2 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square dx. This is for 7th problem also same process. Same model here. 7th problem and this problem. Both are same model. First, given fraction is a proper fraction. Given fraction is a proper fraction. First, resolve into partial fractions. 2 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square dx, is equal to, that is a by 1 minus x. 1 is reducible factor. This is irreducible factor. That is imaginary factors. Why? X square is equal to minus 1. X is equal to root of minus 1 here. That's why irreducible factor. In this case, you write, bx plus c by 1 plus x square. Bx plus c by 1 plus x square. That is 2 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square is equal to 1 minus x into 1 plus x square is the LCM in RH side. So in the numerator, you get a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. Bx plus c into 1 minus x. So here denominators are same, equating the numerators, that is 2 is equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. Bx plus c into 1 minus x. So we want to find out a value. Put x is equal to 1 here. You get this term is 0. Put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. That implies, that is 2 is equal to, here there is no x. That's why you take what is here. In RH side, what term is given? Constant term. That's why you write constant directly. 2 is equal to a into 1 plus 1 square. This term goes to 0. Put x is equal to 1 here. This total term goes to 0. That is 2 is equal to 2a. That is a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Then we want to find out the b value and the c value, equating the coefficient of x square terms and constant terms. Yes, equating coefficient of x square terms. Equating coefficient of x square terms. In RH side, there is no x square coefficient. That's why 0. In LH side, ax square, that is a. This is bx into minus x. Bx into minus x minus bx square. That's why minus b. So 0 is equal to a minus b. What is a here? 0 is equal to 1 minus b. That implies b is equal to again 1. B is equal to 1. Then equating the constant terms. Equating the constant terms. Equating the constant terms. Here, constant term is 2 here. That is 2 is equal to, in LH side, 2 is the constant term. 2 is equal to a into 1, a. Here, bx into 1, that is not a constant term. C into 1 is the constant term. C into 1 is c plus c. That is 2 is equal to no a value. A is 1 plus c. That is c is also 1. A1, B1 and c is also 1. Then substitute. Integral 2 by 1 minus x into 1 plus x square dx is equal to integral a is 1 by 1 minus x dx, 1 by 1 minus x plus bx plus c. B is 1. So 1 into x means x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Yes, split into two integrals. That implies integral 1 by 1 minus x dx plus integral here x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. That is again split x by 1 plus x square dx plus 1 by integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx. I think understood. 1 by 1 minus x is one integral plus x by 1 plus x square is another integral plus 1 by 1 plus x square is the third integral. That implies here log mod 1 minus x by minus 1. What is minus 1 here? By using chain rule, 1 by 1 minus x here. Log mod 1 minus x by 1 minus x derivative minus 1. Minus x 1 derivative 0, minus x derivative minus 1. That is by using chain rule. Plus here 1 plus x square derivative 2x. Denominator, you observe this, denominator 1 plus 2x derivative 2x. That's why we required 2x here. Multiplying 2 and dividing 2. That is 1 by 2 into integration of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Plus this is tan inverse x plus c. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse x formula. This is, that implies log mod 1 minus x whole power minus 1. This is minus here, whole power minus 1. You observe this denominator derivative exists in the numerator. You know the formula. Integration of f dash x by f of x into dx is log mod f of x. You remember the formula. By using that formula, plus 1 by 2 into log mod 1 plus x square plus tan inverse x plus c. That implies here log mod 1 plus x square whole power 1 by 2. This is minus log mod 1 minus x plus tan inverse x plus c. That is the final answer. Log mod root of 1 plus x square by 1 minus x plus tan inverse x plus c. That's completing the 13th problem. So tomorrow continue the remaining problems. Thank you.